In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a custom domain for your Shopify store. If you're tired of your store's long default Shopify domain, I'm here to guide you through the steps to acquire a professional custom domain that truly represents your brand. Having your own domain name not only enhances your store's credibility, but also makes it easier for customers to remember and return to your site. First, let's start by checking your current domain status. To do this, log in to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll want to click on Online Store. This will expose a drop-down menu where you'll find the Domains section. Give that a click. Here, you can see your current domain, which is likely the default Shopify one, something like yourstore.myshopify.com. This is the part we're going to upgrade. Now, on to choosing your domain option. Shopify provides two main routes for obtaining a custom domain. The first option is to connect an existing domain, if you already own one, from providers such as GoDaddy or Namecheap. Alternatively, if you don't have a domain yet, you have the option to buy one directly through Shopify. This method is usually the most convenient, as it automatically links the new domain to your store. So let's dive into the process of buying a new domain, which I recommend if you're starting fresh. In your domains dashboard, click on Buy New Domain. You'll see a search bar. Here, type in the desired domain name for your store, something like perfectpowerapparel.com, for instance. Shopify will immediately let you know if the domain is available, and will also display the annual cost, such as $15 per year. If your desired domain is available, just follow the prompts to complete the purchase. Shopify takes care of the rest for you by automatically connecting the new domain to your store, making it your primary web address. It's as seamless as that. Now, if you already own a domain and wish to connect it to your Shopify store, let's go through that process. Start by clicking the Connect Existing Domain button within the same Domains section. Enter your domain name, for example, yourcustomstore.com. Shopify will then provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to point your domain's DNS settings from your current provider to Shopify. This usually requires you to change A records and C name records. Fortunately, Shopify makes this easy with clear guidelines for adjusting settings with common providers. Do keep in mind that DNS changes can take a few hours to propagate across the internet, but once they do, your domain will be fully connected, allowing you to present a polished, professional front to your customers. And there you have it, a streamlined, professional way to get a custom domain for your Shopify store. Have fun getting your new domain set up and let it bring more recognition and traffic to your brand.